Hey there! Today, I'm gonna guide you on how to add a nickname on Facebook. Let's dive in. First, open Facebook on your phone. Now, head to your profile. You'll notice my nickname isn't there yet. To add it, go back to Facebook's main page. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then hit the gear icon in the same spot. After that, click on the Meta menu and then tap on Profiles in the menu. Choose your profile and hit the Name option. Click on Manage Other Names. Type in your desired nickname in the provided space. Remember to select Show at the top of your profile. Once you're happy, hit Save. You've now added your nickname on Facebook. You'll see my nickname there, which I just added. And that's it. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in.